That's why I thought check engine light.
I believe it's bolt-ons E50. What's up? You want to run it or? Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. We're headed out right now. We're gonna go to this private meetup. Apparently, we've got a few cars that wanted to come out tonight. A little cruising, maybe a couple pools. I heard there's a B58 Supra that's gonna be there. With some bolt-ons, might be down for some pools. We're gonna take the GTI out there. Apologies if you hear a little bit of drone in this one. We've got the new exhaust installed on the car, and right now I wouldn't say we're on a bass valve, but it's not fully dialed in for this exhaust, so power kind of got turned down just a little bit, just a tad bit, until everything gets refined. So not 100% in terms of like the tune. Man, this thing is a lot louder, so I'm gonna have a separate video talking about that and giving full-on sound clips and going fully in detail about that exhaust. But for now, we just want to enjoy the night, meet up with some friends, and you know, just have some fun. I think we're also gonna hit up the canyons too. It's been a while since I've been there, so yeah, let's see how this goes.
My SUV next.
Crazy.
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, I see it. Every time I'm blinking, it's fucking. No, dude, I fucking took that. He's back. Another one?
Ooh, the carbon ceramics?
Damn. Pricey.
You doing it? You doing it?
We waiting.
I got the camera out. That's why I thought we were going to.
Oh shit!
I can clear it for you.
He's putting it in the mode.
Is he?
Yeah. What the? Oh, it's an M5?
Do you want to see what the code is?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to see it? I knew we were going to swing it.
147 for the.
Yeah?
Bro, I'm gonna have to start sucking before that shit, bro. God.
Whose car is it? Oh yeah? You ever do pulls?
Nah, I just got it. 147? Yeah.
How much power do these have from factory, you know?
617.
617. I got the little Golf over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's at the end. Upgraded turbo. You down to do a quick highway pull? Maybe. Just a fun run, bro. Nothing crazy like that. Camaro.
Hey, what's your Insta?
Jules. Is it like canned or anything, or you said it's just stock motor?
Stock, yeah.
Yeah?
Just the headers and catback.
Okay. Nice. You got a little Supra action. I believe it's bolt-ons, E50, and stock turbos. But it's got the flex fuel sensor and all that. See how she do. It's gonna be a quick one for sure.
I remember when I brought his little garage can out, dude.
He beat that some.
It's cool, it's cool.
For the gram.
Let me pop mine.
Pop yours out.
Let's do it one time.
They're all fast.
It's not that quick. It's alright.
Follow down the 65.
What's the YouTube?
Just watch his videos before you race him.
Inspect it. There you go.
And the hellcat and shit. Hey, you're not the only one, right?
Hey, you're not the only one. Running with the Tesla, bro. Hey, go charge.
A few moments later.
So you want to run it or?
Not today, next time.
All right, man.